What's up, guys? What I have here is a 4x32 dual illumination tactical compact scope with fiber optic sight. This is available on an Amazon page, MA3TY. Guy sent me this and to do a review. I think he's in China, honestly. And I zeroed and mounted it and zeroed. It was easy to zero. The clicks were positive, and it was very easy to zero. Held zero. I probably ran 200 rounds through it. Go ahead and show you what the reticle looks like. So there's the green, different brightness settings, blue and red. It's got little hash marks. I'm not sure what caliber it's supposed to represent, but I got it mounted to a 10-22 Old Faithful, probably my favorite gun. The positives were that it really was very easy to zero, and the clicks were good and positive, and there was no trouble at all. The eye relief is the only drawback that I found with it. Eye relief's kind of close, but it's not horrible. The open sight's a good touch, but you're mounted so far to the rear that it's kind of fuzzy, and you have to raise your head up on it. And it was shooting to the right. Had to do a little bit of work on it to get it to hit where I needed it to, and I didn't actually get that in the video, in the shooting part. All in all, for 50 bucks, I think it's a pretty good deal, honestly. It's cool looking if you're into that, and it lights up and it works. So that's my pool tabletop review of the MA3TY 4x32. Thank you guys for watching.